Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef'n' More. And today we are going to be making an all-time classic, Crab Imperial. Yes! And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes the easy and simple way, subscribe so that you'll always get my videos and tap that bell so you'll also be notified. We're going to get started right now. Diving right in, here's our crab meat already and prepared. And we're going to be mixing up our imperial sauce, guys. We're going to be using mayo for the base, just regular mayo. And I'm going to be using about 1/3 of a cup. You can always double the recipe if you have quite a bit more, but I'm actually just making one serving. I'm the only one that likes it in my family, so this is my lunch. Yes. Now we need to go ahead and lightly beat an egg. You don't want to overbeat it. You don't want it mixed too much. So just lightly mix it together. Then we're going to add it to the mayo. Okay, guys, now I will go ahead, set this aside. Now we're going to put in about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Feel free to substitute regular sugar for Swerve, stevia, monk fruit to make it 100% keto. Parsley flakes, about 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Get that all in there. Then we're going to be adding some celery seed. You can add celery salt, but I like to add a little sea salt, so I'm just using celery seeds. These are dried seeds. And then this is a little prepared mustard. All of this is about 1 teaspoon each for the amount that I'm making. And cayenne pepper, probably about 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Feel free to add more or less according to your taste of heat. Then I'm adding in just a little bit of sea salt. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this mixed up and combined really well. You want to make sure it's all combined good because this is the actual sauce that we're going to be incorporating with our crab. So you don't want to have a little extra mayo on the side that's not completely combined with your other seasonings. Okay guys, just make sure you mix it up really well. Now next guys, I'm going to squeeze in a juice of half of a lemon. We're going to go ahead, get this sliced and squeeze that in. And I like to use a strainer to catch any seeds that may be coming down from the lemon. So you just want to go ahead, get in there good, squeeze all the juice from half a lemon in here. And like I said, if you're adding more or making more, you want to put in a little bit more lemon juice. So now we're going to go ahead and stir this in, get it well combined as well. All right, just get in there and get it all stirred up, guys. Yes. Oh, and guys, I almost forgot paprika. I should have put that in there before the lemon juice, but it won't matter. It's all going to be combined. So I'm going to go ahead and put in about 1 teaspoon of paprika. Don't want to forget that. Yes, and then go ahead and make sure that's all combined because you don't want a streak of paprika here, especially since I left it out the first time. Okay guys, now we're just going to go ahead and fold in our crab meat. Yum! This is looking good already. Yes! So you just want to fold it in because you don't want your crab meat to break up into small pieces. You want to keep them in nice good lump pieces of crab in there. So fold it in gently. As you can see, it's all mixed in. Now we're going to actually prepare our dish. This is an extra step. You can just use spray, like canola spray or spray oil, and just spray your baking dish with it. But I like to go ahead and put a little softened butter in there because the flavor of butter just adds to the whole dish. It also makes it easy to come out when you're going to eat it. It also makes the bowl or your baking dish easy to clean afterwards, so it won't be all stuck up and you have to do a lot of scrubbing. Okay, got that all done. So now guys, I'm just going to go ahead and spoon the crab meat into the dish. Then we're going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Watch it at that point because everybody's oven is a little different. Yours may cook a little faster, mine may cook a little slower. It should turn golden brown on the top, but you might have to go ahead and put it under the broiler for a minute or two afterwards. It's going to pretty much depend on your oven and how fast and well your oven will get it brown. But if it's not browned after about 30 minutes, go ahead, turn the broiler part on, and just watch it carefully. You only want it in there for about a minute or two until you see the top of it starting to turn golden brown. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of the sauce on here, guys. Then we'll be ready to get it in the oven. Yes. All right, guys, I think we're just about done here. Nice. Look at that, guys. Yes. So we're going to get it in the oven and we'll be back when it's all done. All right. Here we are, guys, out of the oven and done. Doesn't that look good? Yes, 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 yes. Guys, if you like these how-to videos, step-by-step instructions, please consider supporting me over on Patreon. I have the link in the description as well as right here. And guys, don't forget to subscribe so you'll always get my videos. Tap the bell so you'll also be notified. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and leave me some comments. Tell me what you think about this classic crab imperial. Yes, I am so glad you guys come to hang out and cook with me. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.